2 weeks after stirring controversy over his remarks on his blog against Narendra Modi, Justice Markandeya Kaju is at it again. This time he's written in a Pakistani newspaper criticizing the Gujarat Chief Minister and holding him responsible for the Godhra riots. The BJP has hit out at the Press Council chairman for his article. He said, should malnourished children of Gujarat eat the roads and electricity and factories which Modi has created? What has riled the Modi brigade is that Kaju wrote this article for a Pakistani paper.
Everybody has a freedom to write and express. Even somebody will raise issues about whether he should write about internal domestic politics in Pakistan. He says he is writing in his capacity as a citizen. The Supreme Court and High Court judges are independent citizens of the country. But they don't dabble into politics because they have themselves formed a code of conduct, which Kaju doesn't want to observe. And that is the objection. So we are raising only one question, whether he is in a quasi-judicial position or not. Kaju is doing exactly politics. He is a active member of Hate Modi campaign.
तो जो भी बात उनके मुंह से कही जाएगी, वो पहले भी हमने कहा था कि इसके सिर्फ इस देश में प्रत्याघात नहीं पड़ेंगे, हमारे दुश्मन भी इसको अपनी तरह से अपने नजरिए से पेश करके विश्व में एक ऐसी छवि गुजरात की खड़ी करने का प्रयत्न करेंगे जो नाजी जर्मनी के साथ जुड़ी हुई है।
काजू रिटायर्ड ऑफिसर हैं और हमारे देश में अपनी बात कहने की आजादी है। रिटायर्ड ऑफिसर हैं, उस पर मुझे कोई प्रतिक्रिया नहीं करनी चाहिए। जैसे और लोग लिखते हैं वैसे वो भी लिखते होंगे। वो कहाँ छापते हैं, कहाँ नहीं छापते हैं, उससे हम लोगों का तो कोई वो नहीं रह सकता, कंट्रोल नहीं रह सकता है ना। आप सिंडिकेट करते हैं, लोग अपने लेखों को सिंडिकेट करते हैं, आपके सामने कहते हैं, हमसे पूछ के थोड़ी हर एक कहता है।
Well, let me go across to Atish Srivastava, who joins us for more on this story. Atish, clearly Kaju has taken on Modi again and raised the hackles of the BJP, this time especially because he's written for a Pakistani paper.
Well, exactly. Markandeya Kaju has yet again urged BJP, because BJP earlier also had taken strong objection of the words and the language used by Justice Kaju, especially against Narendra Modi. So we've seen the kind of reaction we got from BJP. Arun Jaitley wrote a letter that he should actually resign. An entire party was up in arms, and yet again now he is written in Pakistan newspaper. So there is something which BJP would not like to leave, and they will definitely raise this issue in the parliament session, because they already have plans to raise a Markandeya Kaju issue. But now, after this article being published in a Pakistani newspaper, BJP would not like to leave this opportunity, because they've been of the view that Markandeya Kaju is indulging into politics, and if you want to do politics, he should not be holding a quasi-judicial position.
Right, Atish, is the BJP now again determined in demanding the resignation of Kaju as the Press Council chief?
Well, they've already demanded that there should be a resignation by Press Council chief Markandeya Kaju, because he has crossed his brief not only once but many times. So BJP will maintain this stand of theirs, but they will also like to target Congress through Justice Kaju, that this is what Congress is typically trying to endorse to use such